Mortgage pain continues to mount for millions of households after the Reserve Bank's shock interest rate rise. Live to Trudy McIntosh. Trudy, what's the message from Governor Phil Lowe?
Well, the Reserve Bank boss has acknowledged the pain that families are feeling with these increasing interest rates, but he's doubled down on the need to do so, arguing to leave inflation unchecked would only make the situation worse. It's certainly a tough message. We've seen 11 interest rate rises in the past 12 months. We're now already seeing economists warning potentially Phil Lowe might be going too far. Two economists saying they believe this risks plunging the nation into recession. Phil Lowe has been the subject of a mounting scrutiny by millions of mortgage holders who are feeling the pinch, and we saw that on full display last night. He was at an event in Perth addressing business leaders, but a small business owner stepped up to have his say.
Do you have someone with hands-on experience of running a small business that can give you the real heads up of what's happening in our industry? You need to have on the board some real people that are doing real things and wearing the brunt of decisions that I think you and the board, in many cases, are very isolated from actually being involved in.
They're there to represent the 26 million people who are lucky enough to live here, and they do that with distinction.
Well, I'm suggesting you talk to the real job creators.
Treasurer Jim Chalmers called yesterday's rate hike a brutal reminder of the difficult economic circumstances this country faces. This is a tough task for him less than a week out from the federal budget. He doesn't want to do anything to make inflation work, but there's mounting pressure to provide some cost of living relief to Australians who are struggling.
Thank you, Trudy. Trudy McIntosh there.